Whenever you're ready.
Am I ready? Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Keep shooting. What you got here is your standard AR-15 with a Santan lower receiver, a CMC trigger, a Daniel Defense barrel, and a Trijicon scope. The scope alone is right at $1,300 alone with nothing else on it. And I got lucky and paid $1,500 for the entire gun. When you buy this gun, if you put it together yourself with all the stuff on it, it's gonna cost you right at $3,000. Okay. And I got it for $1,500. So
50%.
that is your technical rounds for the day. However, this weapon is a 5.56, which will also shoot a .223 round. If you're gonna buy an AR, make sure you only buy one calibrated and chambered for a 5.56. Never buy the .223 because that's all you can shoot in it. If you buy the 5.56, you can shoot both rounds in it.
Okay.
The end.
The end of the discussion. The end of the lecture.
Make sure that when you put this on your channel, make sure you tell everybody, the Democrats and the bleeding heart bitch-ass liberals, that is the devil gun.
Oh my God, that's a devil gun?
It is so evil.
Oh, okay.
When he puts it in the truck, it's going to kill all of us.
No, that's not a bomb.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay. For all you people that insist that a gun kills people, guns do not kill people. Bullets do not kill people.
People kill people.
People kill people. You can set that gun down, yell at it, scream at it, cuss at it, and call its mama a whore, and it's not going to do a damn thing but sit there.
You're right. Thumbs up.
Hold up. Come on this side. All right, go ahead.
Stop it!
Here you go.
All right, look, Ryan. This is doing this for a reason.
Don't! I'm not ready yet.
Put your fingers on your ears. Cover your ears. All right, look. It's one hand. All right, just one hand. Okay. It don't kick. All right.
That don't kick. It's loud, but don't kick.
I done that holding it with one hand so you see that it is not going to hurt you. You know, okay? We're on safe.
I'm shocked. Don't do that.
Well, I figured you knew it was coming. That's why I told you to cover your ears.
You need to get her some earplugs.
Working on it.
Is this loaded?
Yes, it's loaded. Put this hand where it goes right here.
Unload.
Well, hold on before you do that so she can get her earplugs in.
My body is so... My body's not for rifles.
Yeah, your body's actually better for rifles.
Funny. What's going on?
She's gonna shoot a rifle for her first time. She's scared, but she's gonna be okay. Here, you need me to roll it up for you? I'll show you. You get it? Here, no. You gotta, here, hold this. You gotta flatten it both ways where it's small like this. There.
This one, you're not gonna shoot.
Yeah, that one you ain't gonna
Why?
shoot.
I'm fixing to show you one.
Well, let her put her earplugs in.
Go away.
That one right there hammers. She's got her earplugs in.
Stop it! No! Lord!
That's a beast.
Look at the size of the shell.
Stop it!
There's your shell. Almost as big as
It's
my finger.
it's bigger. It's big as your finger. Look, hold your finger up. It's big as your finger.
It's hot.
No, it ain't. No, it's not. It's not hot. Feel it. Not hot. $45.70. Smells good. Smell it.
Pulbura.
Okay. You get to shoot the rifle one time. Here, you video.
What is it?
I'm gonna help her get it set up.
Yeah,
No, you grab it here. You pull it in.
Or am I going to?
You quit leaning back. Look, watch. Let me show you. Rom, you're doing this. You can't shoot like that. Look.
Actually, she's doing worse than that. She's standing here, leaning
Yeah, you're
back.
doing this. You can't. Look how I'm stuck.
Point
Now
that thing
watch.
some safe direction.
It's on safety, and I'm pointing it towards my truck. Look, see how I got my feet?
Hey,
Right. See how I'm leaning forward?
you ain't got no picture in there.
It's
Okay.
there.
You're leaning forward. You lean forward into it, and you're trying to find your scope way back here. You can't find your scope way back here. You gotta put your head forward to find your scope. Okay. Put this foot back. No, put this foot back. There you go. Now step forward with this foot a little bit. There you go. Now bend it. There you go. That's a lot better. Now your thumb needs to be on the other side of the gun like that. Okay, now find your picture in the scope.
What's this?
No,
red?
you're using the
Is this
wrong
yellow?
eye. You have to use this eye. You can't use that eye. There you go. You have to use your right eye, not your left.
It's so heavy.
I'm helping you hold it. Okay? Where's the safety on this one?
It's over here on this side, right below her thumb.
Okay, I need some earplugs because I'm right here at this chamber. Okay. Now when you feel comfortable,
My target.
it don't matter, just find something.
Okay.
When you're comfortable.
Hit it.
Am I gonna pull the trigger?
When
Yep.
you're comfortable, pull the trigger. You pay attention to that.
Just go away.
See? Not bad, huh?
Did it kick as bad as you thought it would?
It's not so loud.
That's the devil gun that everybody is afraid of.
Yep, this is the gun that everybody's scared of.
You want to shoot the 45-70?
No.
What is that?
That was the gun that I just shot a while ago.
Ah, it's difficult.
Yeah, that's what we should have done, was shorten that stock up for us.
Yeah, I didn't think
Shoot it
about
again.
that. Try that. I shortened the stock. See, look, the stock. I shortened the stock. You should be able to hold it easier now. There you go.
Lean into it.
Lean into it. There you go. Is that better? Okay, now let me undo the safety here. Whenever you're ready.
Am I ready? Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Shoot. Make sure that you
I'm
only.
not gonna. Woo!
All right.
Three
Don't-
times.
Don't point your gun down.
Yeah, never.
Yeah.
Never point it toward me. Never point it toward a truck. It stays pointed that direction. Okay.
Forward.
Always forward.
Okay. Thank you. Hey.